Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala's Linux Fundamentals video. This is a video series in which we are discussing basic Linux commands that we would be using on a day-to-day basis and which is very essential for the daily working of an SRE or a DevOps engineer in the field of IT. We would be discussing rmdir. This is used to permanently delete an empty directory. We should remember that as we needed sudo permissions or root permissions on the parent directory to create a folder, we should also have those permissions to delete the folder in the directories. Similarly, the thing that we could use is rmdir-p and the directory which we want to delete. I'll quickly go into the lab, and if you see, I'm currently inside the folder music. So what if I wanted to delete the folder songs which is inside 2022? All I would have to do is this, and what this would do is delete the folders, but then I would be given with an error because I don't have sudo privileges with the normal user. So I would have to elevate myself by giving sudo 2020 songs, and you would see that even though 2022 is there, the songs folder inside 22 is now gone, and we are only left with the directory dir in 2022. So this is how you would be deleting existing folders using rmdir command. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a good time.